do you want to do today?
I want,
Yes? What? A Lego, a swim, a car?
achoo!
Are you okay, Vic?
Well, I don't know. Achoo! I cannot stop, achoo! Sneezing, you know? Oh no! What if, Adam, what if you make me sneeze? Achoo!
Vic tried to sneeze more softly.
But if, Adam, what about if you make me sneeze? Then I cannot be near you.
Huh?
Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever.
But Vic,
Oh no, please, do not speak, Adam. It's too late, Adam. Achoo. Goodbye, Adam.
Vic,
Are you okay, Vic?
No, I'm not okay, Dr. Allah. Adam makes me sneeze.
Adam make you sneeze?
And Adam is also my best friend. Achoo! Great, and now even the doctor make me sneeze too.
Vic, I don't think Adam make you sneeze, and I don't think doctors make you sneeze. I think you just have a cold.
A cold?
You're just sick.
I'm sick. Yay! Thanks, doctor. Adam, great news. I have a cold.
good for you.